593, the missing calculations for data pixel x and y. Within the Tileway function section, within the plot all function, we have a shorthand reference to the floor function, and then a common calculations flag here that we'll set depending on if we need it. So let's scroll down here to the calculate dpx dpy section, and this is the type global tile coordinate. So we're going to set this common flag, throw an error here because we're not going to use this branch of code for quite a while, and we're going to look up the lateral span, lateral multiplier x, lateral multiplier y. Then that will get us to the correct layer of data later. And H3X, H3Y is the hotel within our 3x3 grid of hotels. R5X, R5Y is the room within our 5x5 grid of rooms. And this is the one-dimensional version of R5X, R5Y. We're going to use this G25 value to look up the room index, and then we're going to use that room index right here to look up R4X, R4Y. Now, R4X, R4Y is also a room cell, but it's a room cell on the data layout, whereas this is a room cell on the render layout. We're going to do some error checking of our math right here. Now, if we have a room local coordinate, we're really just going to look up everything in these lookup tables here. So I've already described what all of these are. I'm not going to repeat myself. We're also going to set this common flag here. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next dpx dpy calculation section. If the common flag was set, which it will be set if we have a GTC or RLC coordinate, then dpx comma dpy is calculated by multiplying h3x, h3y by 512, because each level pack is 512 by 512 pixels, multiplying r4x, r4y by 128 by 128, because each level is 128 by 128 pixels of encoding, the diagonal offset to the data, the lateral offset to the correct layer of data, and then adding room local x, room local y. So once we have dpx, dpy, we can convert that to an index, convert that to a byte address, and then pack our binary payload into the tile map. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. We do not have time here on the advanced kanji coder playlist. If you just want technical demos, you can go here to the Weeb Coder channel. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game using proximity mines that explode vertically, horizontally, and four-way. We also have laser boxes and spark pins. Like and subscribe.